In this video lesson, you will discover how to use human body proportions when drawing a figure in contrapposto.
Life Drawing by Vladimir London. This artwork is done in red pencil on 100% cotton paper tinted with watercolor. In the previous lesson, we examined the classical canon of proportions that are suited for contrapposto. It is based on a measurement of 7½ heads. The height of the figure is divided in half. This is the pubic bone level. The pelvis is tilted in contrapposto. The direction of this tilt is measured in life and applied in drawing. The top part is halved. 1/4 of the figure is halved as well, giving 1/8. We add a bit to that measurement to mark the height of the head. The spinal column is laterally curved. This is due to the pelvis's tilt, which is in the opposite direction to the shoulder's line. The width of the ribcage is a bit greater than the head's height. It is also slightly smaller than the width of the pelvis, which is equal to the distance from the top of the head to the pit of the neck. The height of the head fits 2 times from the hip joint to the knee. The distance from the pit of the neck to the pubic bone is the same as from the toes to the top of the kneecap. It is also the same as from the kneecap to the top of the pelvis. The height of the face fits twice in the distance from the knee joint to the top of the foot. The height of the face is equal to the length of the collarbone. The height of the head fits 7½ times into the figure's height. The head fits once from the 7th vertebra to the breastbone's end. It is also equal to the height of the pelvis. The height of the face is the same as the height of the breastbone, the distance from the breastbone to the navel or top of the pelvis, and the distance from the navel to the pubic bone. The height of the face fits twice into the shin bone. The straight portion of the quadriceps occupies the front part of the thigh. The lateral portion and the fascia form the lateral outline of the upper leg. The chest muscle inserts to the upper arm bones. It has 3 portions: the collarbone portion at the top, the breastbone portion in the middle, and the lower portion. The torso in contrapposto is twisted and also bent sideways. That is why one side is compressed and the other is stretched. This geometry is depicted in drawing. The straight muscles of the abdomen span from the ribcage to the pelvis. The axis of the leg change their direction at the knee. To create highlights, I erase light areas of the figure with a rubber eraser. An eraser gently takes watercolor pigment off the paper. This is a great benefit of custom tinted paper. The contours of a figure are great guides for the direction of pencil strokes in tonal rendering. Applying strokes along contours helps to reveal the 3-dimensional nature of the body. I avoid finishing one part of the figure before touching all remaining areas. This way, the whole drawing can be developed simultaneously. Gradually, layer by layer, the artwork comes to its finished state. These 3 figures were depicted from life using 3 different canons of proportions: